Hello everyone, I am Lokesh and welcome back to the channel. So friends, this video is very important for all of you. If you are from 23, 22, 24, 25 batch or any of the graduate batch, most of the candidates ask me this query in the comment section as well as on the Instagram. Like sir, how to prepare for the aptitude plus coding for the placements exam? As we all know about that, in the upcoming month, the placement examination is started for the next batches for the 23 batch or for the 2024 batch. But one of the most important point for graduate batch, the exam is also okay. So like if they will hire the 2023 batch, so most probably chance they will hire 22 batch as well. So how you can prepare according to the examination need, and how you can crack your aptitude plus coding exam in the first attempt itself. This video is very important for all of you, and in the next part we will discuss about how to prepare for the service based MNC interview. So interview preparation, so this video is very helpful for all of you. One of the most important point, if you are new to our channel, please like and share the video with your friends and subscribe the channel to receive updates from us. Okay, so let's start. One of the most important point on our channel, you can check so many videos that is related to the latest hiring. Okay, these all videos are very helpful for all of you. Okay, so how to prepare? Okay, how to prepare for the aptitude plus coding section? One of the most important point that you have to understand for that, like for the service based MNC or for the product based MNC, most probably some of the MNC conduct the examination for related to the aptitude. Okay, if I talk about the Infosys, TCS, Cognizant, Wipro plus other top MNC, so most probably they follow the same pattern that is related to the aptitude examination. If I talk about the Wipro examination, okay, if I talk about the Wipro examination, so as you can see on my screen that what they just mentioned in their aptitude test, there is a logical ability test, quantitative ability test there, that is called the numerical ability also, and there is a English verbal ability. Okay, it contains some of the reasoning question also, so the duration is 48 minutes. Similarly, if I talk about the TCS, so they also mentioned that there is a, for the TCS NQT or for the TCS free NQT, they mentioned that there is a numerical, verbal and reasoning ability examination, and the 25 questions or 25 minutes allotted for the given examination. So if I talk about the Infosys, so Infosys also consider the reasoning, technical and verbal. Okay, so most probably some of the service based MNC, top service based MNC consider the following pattern, like they ask the questions from numerical ability. Okay, they ask questions from verbal ability, and they also focuses on the reasoning ability. Okay, so it will be totally depends on them, but most of the MNC following the same pattern that is related to this type: numerical, verbal and reasoning ability. Okay, so you have to mostly focus on these three type of aptitude, and you have to mostly focuses on these three type of aptitude preparation. So what is the aptitude preparation tips? One of the most important point, this is not a promotion video. Okay, so the best website to prepare for the aptitude is India Big's website. And if I talk about some of the YouTube channels, so according to the need, you can check some of the YouTube channel, like for the TCS, Rachit Rastogi sir YouTube channel is best, and also we provide the latest opportunities updates for all of you. Okay, so when you just go to the playlist section, so as you can see on my screen that this is related to the essential, this is related to the Capgemini 2022 batch preparation, all section video, as well as for the 2023 batch we will soon upload some of the good videos for all of you. So when you go to the India Big's websites, so there is a general aptitude in which you can find the arithmetic aptitude, online aptitude test, data interpretation, and in the section of verbal and reasoning, verbal, logical, verbal, non-verbal. Okay, so let's find how you can prepare for the online aptitude test. When you just go to the online aptitude test, there is a random questions available here for the particular aptitude examination, or you can practice so many questions. Okay, like if I talk about the arithmetic aptitude, so they mention some of the topics that are very common in some of the top MNC examination. Like so many MNC ask questions related to percentage, calendar, average, clock, area, partnership, problem on HCF and LCM. And when you just go to that, there are a lot of questions and you can practice according to your examination purpose. Okay, So this is all about that. And if I talk about the aptitude preparation tips, so you have to clear your basics first, and advanced topic questions are also important. But I suggest you to just practice some basic questions first, and after that move on to the advanced topic. Solve the question first with a different approach. Okay, like you have to solve the questions with so many approach. Okay, if you try so many ways and are unable to find a solution, then check the solution from perspective. Like you are solving any of the question and you try with so many ways, but you can't find the answer, so just check the answer from the particular perspective. Daily solve questions regularly because it is very important for the placement. Like we have less time in the aptitude examination, and you have to solve more question in the particular time. Okay, so you have to solve questions regularly on daily basis, and must understand the tricks. Okay, just check the tricks from some of the YouTube channels or from some of the websites, like how I can apply the trick in this question to find the answer very quickly. Practice is important, and previous year question is very very important. Okay, this is all about that. So the important resource for preparation is India Bix website. The India Bix website is very good for the preparation. No doubt you can solve so many questions according to the India Bix websites. Okay, so the next preparation is related to the coding section. What about the coding section? Okay, what is related to the coding section? Every MNC conduct coding examination in different way. How? Okay, so the example is some MNC ask a tricky question. Okay, some MNC focus on data structures and algorithm. No problem, it's okay. Some MNC ask a basic tricky question. So what do you mean by the tricky question and basic tricky question? Like they just mentioned that you have to solve using the array or using this approach. Okay, and in the data structure and algorithm they ask the question that is related to the DP, dynamic programming based tree. Okay, and the graph. Okay, because some of the MNC, if they hire for the higher package role, like for the 8 LPA or for the 6 to 8 LPA, so most probably they ask the questions from the data structures and algorithm. And the next is related to some MNC ask a basic tricky question. What do you mean by the basic tricky question? The basic tricky question content, they ask the simple concept. Okay, like they will find the number is palindrome or not, but they will give you some of the trick, some of the tricky in that. So you have to find whether the number is palindrome or not. Okay, so you have to prepare basic. After that you have to move on advanced. But one candidate asked me on Instagram like how I can prepare for any of the coding examination. So I suggest, if you are preparing for any coding exam or interview, I suggest you some tips you need to follow. Master one programming language for coding: C++, Java or Python, anyone. Practice questions on daily basis. Start from basics, hacker rank, then hacker earth and lead code. This is the coding platform that you can solve so many coding questions. And when you solve any coding question, first write solution in your copy or in your notebook, then make code on editor. Write all possible expected solution of your code in your copy, or just remember in your mind, and after so many try, if you can't find exact output, check solution. So this is related to the coding tips. At the end, I suggest you, if you are preparing for the placement, so we also provide the free placement preparation, as well as some we are planning to launch our paid courses soon for the freshers batch. So on our channel we provide already so many videos that is related to placement preparation, and on Instagram you can check so many candidates already selected in some of the top MNCs. You can check, and so many candidates are following from their second year, and they are placed in Infosys, Capgemini, Hexaware, top MNC. So if you are from any of the batch, please like and share the video with your friends. If you have any doubt related to the aptitude examination coding, mention in the comment section. Thanks for watching the video.